Like, I don't know what is wrong with his eyes. There. Okay. I'm going to back up a little bit, but let's see if I can do it. Now I'm going to back it up again. Press play. She's walking in. Look at his eyes. That's not eyes. This is on the show Mistresses. Everyone has eyes except this guy. And no matter how many times I rewind and play this frame again, it still is the same, even when he turns. Go right again. Play it again. Her eyes are normal. Everyone's eyes are normal. Look at his eyes. What the hell is that? Her eyes, his eyes. Sorry for the bad quality. It's a cell phone. Android cell phone. But this is gross. When I look at it, they're not even eyeballs. They're like reptile eyes or something. Tell me what you think. Kind of freaky.